AC servo motors are a type of electric motor used in various industrial and automation applications to provide precise and controlled motion. They are commonly used in situations where accurate positioning, high-speed rotation, and rapid acceleration or deceleration are required. AC servo motors are an essential component in many modern manufacturing, robotics, CNC machinery, and other motion control systems. Here are some key features and aspects of AC servo motors. Feedback system. AC servo motors are equipped with a feedback system, usually an encoder or resolver, which continuously provides information about the motor's position, speed, and direction to the motor controller. This feedback loop allows for precise control and positioning accuracy. Closed-loop control. The feedback system enables closed-loop control, where the motor controller compares the desired position or speed with the actual position or speed feedback and adjusts the motor's operation accordingly. This results in accurate and responsive motion control. High torque and power density. AC servo motors typically offer high torque and power density, meaning they can deliver significant force in a relatively compact size. This makes them suitable for applications that require both power and precision. Dynamic performance. AC servo motors excel in dynamic performance, meaning they can quickly change speed, direction, and acceleration. This capability is crucial in applications like robotics and CNC machining, where rapid and precise movements are essential. Smooth operation. AC servo motors provide smooth and stable motion due to the closed-loop control and feedback mechanism. This helps minimize vibrations, jerks, and overshooting during operation. Various control modes. AC servo motors can operate in different control modes, such as position control, velocity control, and torque control. This versatility allows them to be used in a wide range of applications. Regenerative braking. Some AC servo motors have the ability to perform regenerative braking, where excess energy generated during deceleration or braking is converted back into electrical energy and can be reused or dissipated. Servo drives. AC servo motors require dedicated servo drives or amplifiers to control their operation. These drives amplify the control signals and provide the necessary power to the motor. Application areas. AC servo motors are found in numerous industries, including manufacturing, robotics,